from home is equal to work from anywhere. So this is where from I'll be working for next few days. Let's check out this place. You can see this beautiful mountain range from my balcony. This is my balcony out here, and this is the view of my cottage. So this is the place where I'll be staying and doing my work from home for next few days. This is the beautiful homestay cottage which you can see out here, surrounded by the serenity of the nature, this beautiful mountain range, and this is the entire place which looks so beautiful and full of greenery and nature and peace. Here are some swings. Also, there are some adventure activities which we can do out here. So this is the main office and the restaurant, along with some camps also which are available for the camping experience in this beautiful mountain range. Also, this is the place which has been set up for camping, for bonfire, and for outdoor activities in this beautiful place. These are the mountain ranges which we can see from our room's window also. And above also there is some place where we can go for trekking, which we plan to explore maybe tomorrow. There are also some adventure sports out there which we can try, and these are some swings and some more cottages. This is our home for next few days, and this is where we are set for the breakfast. So here we are in this beautiful homestay cottage, and we are all set for breakfast. So this is our breakfast view, and in the front we can see these beautiful mountains. We are just waiting for our breakfast to come. So as you can see here, our breakfast has arrived. We have ordered some parathas and some ginger tea. So this is where we are going to sit and have our breakfast. Hope it's as yummy and as tasty, as beautiful this place is. And this is the view we can see in front of us while having this breakfast. So it's time I go and have my breakfast. See you. Bye bye. Till then, you can enjoy this beautiful sunrise time lapse which I have shot from my balcony. And this is so beautiful and so serenic to see and to witness in this beautiful mountain valley over here. And the peak which you can see here is the Churdhar peak, which is one of the highest peak of the Shivalik range. And I can even witness some snow over here at the top of this peak, which is told by the locals as it is the fresh snow. Hope you like it and you enjoy it. And do stay tuned for upcoming vlogs which I plan for this coming week over this beautiful place. And let's check them out and let's wait for them to come. In the upcoming vlog, we'll cover bonfire and trekking experience. Do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss it out.